Appello is hiring. If you've been searching for a meaningful job you can do from the comfort of your home, this is your chance. Appello is looking for emergency call handlers, and it's not just a job. It's an opportunity to make a real difference in people's lives. In this role, you'll be helping vulnerable clients who need support in moments that truly matter. Whether it's connecting them to emergency services or simply providing reassurance, your voice could be the reason someone feels safe. If this sounds interesting, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on new opportunities like this one. Now, let's talk about what this job is all about. As an emergency call handler, you'll work remotely, handling calls from people who may be in distress or need urgent help. Every call is different, and you'll need to stay calm and empathetic no matter the situation. It's an incredibly rewarding role, but it can also be challenging. You'll need to think on your feet, be a great listener, and have a genuine desire to help others. This isn't just a regular job. It's a chance to save the day, and sometimes even a life, just by picking up the phone. The schedule for this role is perfect for anyone who values flexibility. You'll work 4 days on and 4 days off, giving you plenty of time to recharge and focus on other things in your life. The shifts are either from 6:45 a.m. to 4 p.m. or 2:45 p.m. to midnight. You can even choose to work only the evening shifts if that suits you better. To prepare you for the job, Appello provides 3 weeks of paid training, so you'll feel confident and ready to handle calls. The training is remote too, so you don't need to worry about commuting. What's even better is that this job comes with great perks. As you can see from their website, you'll start with a competitive hourly rate of £11 and 54 pence, which increases after you complete your probation period. You'll also get 23 days of holiday, which goes up to 25 days overtime, plus bank holidays. On top of that, Appello offers discounts on shopping, holidays, and even dining out. There's also a 24/7 employee assistance program, a match pension scheme, and discounts on Appello's own products and services for you and your family. The company also provides all the IT equipment you'll need for the job. All you need is a stable internet connection with at least 5 megabits per second upload speed and 15 megabits per second download speed. Appello isn't just looking for anyone. They want someone who truly cares. If you worked in a call center before and have experience working remotely, you're already a great fit. But more than experience, what really matters is your ability to connect with people, stay calm in tough situations, and provide excellent customer service. If you have these qualities, you don't need a fancy degree to succeed in this role. Appello believes in providing the right training and support to help you thrive. This is an exciting time to join Appello. The company is growing, and that means there are plenty of opportunities for career development. They're committed to being an inclusive and welcoming workplace. So no matter your background, you'll feel valued and supported. Imagine being part of a team where your work truly matters and where you can grow professionally while working from home. So, what are you waiting for? If this sounds like the job for you, don't hesitate to apply. You can upload your CV and tell Appello a bit about yourself. They'll get back to you within a week if you're shortlisted. But don't wait too long. Roles like this tend to fill up quickly. Before you go, make sure to check out our other videos and visit our website for more remote job opportunities that don't require a degree. We're always sharing new openings, so you're bound to find something that's perfect for you. Apply for this job before the listing expires or someone else snatches it up. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your application.